Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Murf AI not working step by step. So if Murf AI won't load, voice generation fails, audio won't play, or the website keeps freezing, yeah, this guide will help you troubleshoot the most common issues quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Murf AI is cloud-based, so weak internet can interrupt voice generation and loading. Next, refresh the Murf AI page and wait a few seconds for everything to reload properly. So, temporary browser glitches can sometimes break AI features. If the issue continues, sign out of your Murf AI account and log back in again. Account session problems can sometimes stop projects from working correctly. Large projects with too many voice clips or media files can sometimes slow Murf AI down. Try simplifying the project or splitting it into smaller parts. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. Yeah, Murf AI servers may occasionally experience outages or maintenance. Make sure your browser is fully updated because older versions may not support newer AI features properly. If nothing works, contact Murf AI support directly and explain the issue with screenshots if possible. So support can sometimes detect account-specific problems faster. And that's basically how to fix Murf AI not working from start to finish. After trying these fixes, the platform should run much smoother and more reliably.